तो 18 सितंबर को हुआ ऑपरेशन उरी। आपको बता दें, बड़ी जानकारी, प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रही है इसी को लेकर के। ऑपरेशन उरी पर इस वक्त प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रही है।
$366-8927. While he claims the surrender terrorist, he claims that he was informed by his handlers, by the group, that he is to drop a supply in the area of Pattan. That's the information he was given. He was told that he is going to drop a supply at Pattan. But when we go over the recoveries and modus operandi, it is quite possible that these infiltrating groups had come here for some kind of a strike which went beyond just a supply drop. Now, if I invite your attention to the fact that this infiltration attempt was made in the area of Salamabad Nala, this is the same area through which we have had a history of infiltration in 2016. That is when a suicide attack at Uri garrison took place. It is also revealed that this infiltration group was supported from the Pakistani side by 3 porters who had come till the line of control along with supplies. The Pakistani post opposite this area is the Jabari post. Now, movement of such large group of people cannot take place without active complicity of the Pakistan army deployed on the other side. What we have also seen, that there has been a lot of movement in the launch pad across line of control. You would recall that their infiltration attempt has also been made on 18th when 3 terrorists were neutralized in the neighboring area. Now it shows the desperation of Pakistan when he sees that the peace and stability in Kashmir is something that is not to Pakistan's liking. So there is desperation to send in terrorists to create disturbance and some kind of a sensational strike. In last 7 days, 7 terrorists have been neutralized and 1 terrorist has been apprehended, and 5 of these neutralizations have taken place along the line of control. The major recoveries that have taken place is 7 AK series rifle. I'm talking about the recoveries only in this operation and the one that took place in surrounding area on 18th of September. So total recovery of these 2 operations, major recoveries are 7 AK series weapons, 9 pistols and revolvers, and total more than 80 grenades of various kinds, and along with some Indian and Pakistani currency. Now, I'll invite the company commander who had taken part in this operation to inform you the exact conduct of this operation.
The operation commenced on the night of 18 and 19 September 2021 in Salamabad Nala, Uri. The first contact was made by the patrolling party who saw a group of terrorists crossing the line of control. After an intense firefight between the patrolling party and the terrorists got scared and split into 2 groups. One group ran. The terrorists got scared and split into 2 groups. One group ran back to POK, and the other group of 2 militants took the advantage of dense forest and darkness and slipped on the Indian side. Initial recoveries were made and we traced the terrorists with the help of the initial recoveries. Additional forces were employed and cordon was established. These 2 terrorists had made number of attempts to break the cordon, but they were unsuccessful. Finally, on the night of 26th, the party which was housed inside the Nala was able to make a contact again with these terrorists. After an intense firefight with these terrorists, we were able to neutralize one of them. On further searching the area, we heard the wailings of another terrorist who was the youngest among these two. The second terrorist pleaded us for his life. Even though he has fired on us on number of times in the contact, we accepted his surrender and handled him humanely. The surrendered terrorist has identified himself as a Pakistani national, resident of Okara district of Punjab region in Pakistan. The operation